don't have that too.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you're wondering what I'm doing, why I'm working on a subframe, why I'm working on an engine. What car is that for? It's for the hatch. I really want to make this a drift car. Now that the coupe is done, I don't want to wreck it, I don't want to crash it. It's too nice, it's too beautiful. But the hatch has some rust, right? So I don't mind hurting this car if it, you know, makes contact with a friend or a wall. It's not the end of the world. So that SR20 I was working on was actually from the coupe in 2021. Spun a rod bearing. I had another one, I put it in. So I'm just gonna OEM refresh this one. I sent it out to the machine shop. So they have it now, it's in their hands. But what I'm doing with the subframe is I broke this subframe in this car just driving to work. My lower control arm let go, and the I guess the tension rod or the toe link, no, not the toe link, the tension rod, that also cracked. So I'll show you that right now. So you can see it actually let go here. I thought about welding it and just driving it home, but there's no way. This is so rotted. So I have an entirely new subframe ready to go in, and I want to refresh the back half of the car. So get rid of some of the undercoating, address a little bit more of the rust, and then hopefully I don't have to deal with that too much longer. But this subframe I got is absolutely mint. I'm just gonna sand it down, paint it. But I'm in Ontario, so a lot of these cars are rusted out. To find one this clean is very good. This is phenomenal. So that'll be perfect. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm just going to pull the axles out of this subframe and junk it. I don't really have a use for it. I have a good one now, so I'm going to focus on scraping all the undercoating off this car from the back half anyways, and then address the situation from there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe guys. See you on the next one.